Very recently, I posted a video of MotionGrey Cloud Mesh ergonomic office chair, and today we are going to talk about another product from MotionGrey, and that is MotionGrey Motion Series Standing Desk. So we are going to talk about its design, features, build quality, assembling process, and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and let's get going with our review of MotionGrey Motion Series Standing Desk. So first of all, let's talk about the unboxing and assembling process. The Motion Series Standing Desk comes in two separate packages depending on what you have ordered. So in one package you will get the standing desk frame, and on another one you will get the tabletop. There are three tabletop sizes available from small, medium to large, while the standing desk frame is same for all of them. Both of these frame and the tabletop come in huge boxes which are pretty heavy. In the standing desk frame package, you will find all of the components and parts of the standing desk perfectly placed in a very safe and secure manner for the safe shipment purposes. Inside the retail box, you will find all of the components like the motor legs, rail, all of the wires and cables, along with the screws and L keys for tightening them. The instructions provided are very clear, and you can easily assemble the whole Motion Series standing desk frame by yourself without facing any issue in less than 30 minutes. If you have ordered the tabletop as well, then the only thing you will need to connect it with your standing desk frame is a drill. As I said, one person can easily assemble the whole standing desk frame as well as the attachment of the tabletop, but once the assembly process is completed, you will need help of at least one more person to flip the table from the upside down position, as it is going to be very heavy and pretty difficult for one person to do that. Talking about the design and build quality, Motion Series Standing Desk is made of very premium material, whether it's the desk frame or the tabletop. The desk frame is made of reinforced steel, and this is one of the reasons that it is pretty heavy. MotionGrey is using the Bosch motors on its standing desk frame, so the quality of the motor is top notch and will survive for years easily without much maintenance. MotionGrey is so much confident about the longevity of its standing desk that it is providing the 8-year warranty on the Motion Series standing desk. The desk frame is very strong, super steady, and the motion of the motors is smooth and provides confidence while you are changing the height of the desk, while your precious electronics and gadgets are on top of it. The Motion Series standing desk frame comes with 3-segment design, and while you are changing the height of the desk, it does not make any kind of noise, so you can easily and frequently change the height of the desk without annoying the people around you. The tabletop is of very nice and premium quality. The build quality is solid and it feels very sturdy and durable. I received the black oak tabletop that looks quite beautiful and very elegant as well. The rounded corners of the tabletop also increase the beauty of the whole setup, and it contributes in the overall beauty of the product. You can put as many stuff as you want, up to 125 kilograms on the tabletop of Motion Series standing desk, and because of the smooth motion of the Bosch motors, you don't need to worry about any shade that can cause your devices to fall out of the tabletop. The frame also comes with lots of space for the wires and cables, and the tabletop also comes with a hole especially to pass all of the wires and cables connected with your devices. This gives a very clean and sleek look to your whole setup and once again contributes in the overall visual experience. The method to change the height of MotionGrey Motion Series standing desk is very easy. All you have to do is press the up or down key provided on the memory pad, and then the frame can be moved between 24 inches to 49 inches in height. So any person between the 5 foot to 7 foot height can use the Motion Series standing desk without facing any issue and improve their working experience as well as productivity. The good part is that if the Motion Series standing desk is going to be used by multiple people, then the command pad also comes with memory function, and you can assign up to 4 preferred heights. So you can easily move the height of the desk to a preferred custom height with just one push of a button. And when it comes to pricing, the MotionGrey Motion Series standing desk plus tabletop is the best option for you because compared to other brands with similar and sometimes even inferior features, the pricing of MotionGrey products is significantly less compared to other brands. So if you're planning to buy a standing desk for your office, then the MotionGrey Motion Series standing desk is the best option for you, as it comes with a beautiful design, super steady steel frame along with Bosch motor, 8 years warranty, a very beautiful and a strong tabletop, good width capacity, minimum and maximum height position, as well as the memory function for custom height position for your standing desk. If you are interested in buying the MotionGrey Motion Series standing desk, then you can get the 10% discount using the link given in the description of this video, or you can use my discount code Sean for the very same purpose. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.